Alright, y'all. Today is the first video of blacksmithing tutorial. And I like to wear a mask. Just for fumes and stuff. But, you know, just for other protection. Glasses, you can wear them if you want. I don't wear them, so I don't care. I'll show you a prototype. This is what we want, okay? I don't know if I'm getting too close or not. But yeah, I couldn't find my file, so I couldn't really do much about it. So I gotta figure that out, because I got the beeswax. That's why it's a little darker and everything, okay? So I did it all on the grindstone right here. The grindstone, there's a cutting disc as well. I don't use that. I just use the angle grinder for that. I have the angle grinder still in there. The vise, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right over here. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see it. But yeah, it's right over there. Hammers, tongs, forge, anvil. I don't care how you set up your forge. This is different. So, today, I don't know, we're going to do some practice hitting on this. Now listen, I have been trained to do this, okay? So I know how to figure all this out, okay? We're just going to pound out this because I haven't forged in a while, so we're going to cold forge. If you have a nice anvil, don't do this. Don't ruin your anvil. If you have a cruddy one like I do, it's fine, okay? You can use this, pound it out, whatever, figure that out. Then we're gonna make some nails out of these little short nails over here, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move you. Okay. So now we're ready. I'm gonna be getting, here, let's do this. Alright. It's a little wet, but... Alright. So you take your wolf jaws. There should be a bunch of rivets in there. Take this. Put it right in the middle. Put it right on the anvil. And hit it like a 70-degree angle, I think it'd be, but... Just remember that cold forging is a lot harder than actual forging, okay? And this gets hot. When you've been hitting it, it warms up by kinetic energy. Alright. So yeah, it takes a number on the anvil, but it smooths out eventually after a few hits of whatever forging, so. Yeah. Yeah, screw that. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take some practice hits, okay? Take the wolf jaws, put it really however you want. Hold this at an angle and swing this straight down and slowly turn it down like a lever. Now, this is much easier to forge, cold forge, whatever. Then you gotta take the plastic and stuff off, plastic and film, whatever. Please be age responsible with this whole kit and caboodle. Let's see. Yeah, like that. It was curved. Now, what you want to do, you want to put it back in the wolf jaws. You want to take it to the bench grinder. Okay? So then you want to plug in the bench grinder. Mine is just to plug it in and it turns on. Make sure there's no tools in the way. Get a nice beveled edge. Unplug it when you're done. If you have something like this, so then we're gonna, let's see. I take the pocket knife again. I'm just gonna scrape off. This is a cheap little pocket knife from Menards. Again, age. Hopefully I will have another video soon of actual fire forging, but I don't have the means for that right now. So, yeah, as you can see, I'm going to go over here, find the file. If I can't, that'll be unhelpful, but... Alright. Alright, let's see. Where is that guy? I have way too many tools in here, and I should not be this disorganized, but I am, so we're gonna be here a while. Oh, okay, that'll do. Oh, jeez. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I don't know where the actual file is. But I have the next best sucky thing. I have a knife sharpener. Little handheld knife sharpener. So you see? There's all that extra gunk from the grinder. So you want to take, here, let's see. You want to take the coarse side. You want to take the coarse side. Just kind of sharpen it up a little bit. Try not to sharpen the bottom, because we're trying to make an ice pick here, or an ice scraper. Not for cars, okay? Not for cars. But almost any other surface. Okay? I am not responsible if any of you hurt yourself trying to follow these instructions. Because the instructions that I was given was do what you think is right for forging. And if you do anything that hurts you, then that's your fault and a lesson learned. So, I'm going to take that to heart a little bit. That'd be great. Let's see. Try to get that, again, the paint. I would say try to get metal without the painting and everything. But yeah, Get that beveled edge as close as you can to being sharp. But then again, this is an ice pick or an ice scraper. Mini little handheld ice scraper, okay? This is not gonna be made to kill anybody unless you need to. So yeah, let's check this out real quick. Yeah, it works on the wood. Cut myself on the wood, but you know, it's fine. That's one of the hazards, okay? So, yeah. Take the whole thing, and we're gonna head back over to the anvil. Okay. Here we go. Tongs are over here. Alright. Now, remember, no grind is gonna be absolutely perfect, okay? Make sure to clean it after every use. I actually have, this is a new hammer that I got from a thrift shop, so I might as well try it. Put this back. Now, I have a cast iron anvil. That kind of anvil sucks, okay? It dents and scratches, but it gets the job done. The steel anvils are so much better. However, I only have this little farrier's anvil. This little, pretty sure is unbranded little steel anvil. It's trusty though. It is a cast steel or forged steel. Very helpful. Steel is always better. However, cast iron anvils are cheaper. Just let you know. Now, this is obviously just the basics of everything. So I'm cold forging because I just built a new forge and I haven't tested it out yet. And I obviously don't want to do that on camera because, you know, if everything blows up, you know. So let's do this. Let's head over. All right, right here is the forge. I got this thing for free at a garage sale, so I'm fine with that being here. This is my my bellows in a way. Otherwise, for close quarters combat, I got this thing. Okay, I got this little bellows. It's like little handheld, whatever. It's from China, so it's like, it's okay. It gets the job done for those little things that you want to do. So, yes. The little, here, whatever, I'll make the video a little wobbly for you guys, okay? Alright, here's the forge. It's like, that's my hand. My hands are pretty big. It's like, obviously there's a big enough space here. Let's grab the hammer real quick. So the hammer, just the size of any other hammer. It fits in there, okay? Like there's a lot of space in there. This is not held together. This is just a bunch of blocks sitting all next to each other, okay? Yeah, that's right, Rooster. Okay, anyway, so all these little spaces and whatever. Anyway, back to what I was saying before. Okay, here is the cabinet of death. Has all my tools in it. That's where I put all my tools when it's gonna rain or anything. If it starts to rain, I come and take them in here. Speaking of which, keep the forge clean. It's like cooking. Clean as you go. Make sure knives and sharp items are put away. I have a lot of hammers and I have a lot of chisels. This is not the only thing that I have made. We are going to be forging a katana. Like, basically this, but like I don't even know, 12 times the size or something like that. We're going to be making it. Oh, there it is. From this, I don't even think I can get that in the whole frame. Yeah. So it's about, oh, there we go. I can get it in the whole frame now. Okay, so basically, we are going to heat up the middle, exactly the middle, bend it in half, and it's kind of hard to explain, but like, bend it in half, and starting at the bend, beat down, forge weld it all the way down, and we're going to be, we need a bigger area to forge it, so I need to make like a special forge, because I need to have it be able to go all the way through, like a knife forge, and I don't do propane, okay? That forge right there is a coal forge. I'm not doing propane. I might do propane one of these days, but it's not going to be today. So, yeah. When you're grinding, if you really want to, use the mask. I don't say that you have to, but, you know, you might need to, you might not have to, so whatever. Put it back. And put this back right there. No. Whatever. Okay. So, yeah, now we are going to come over here. Alright, guys, and that is the basics of the forge. And we will cover all the rest next time. Obviously, there's coal areas. That's basically the only thing I missed, honestly, is the coal storage areas. So yeah, make sure you're putting your tools away as you go, and I think you'll be good. Okay. See you guys in the next one.